excavator and construction vehicle. Name and sound.
Excavator digger. Excavator digger. Excavator digger. Excavator hammer. Excavator hammer. Excavator hammer.
Dragline excavator. Dragline excavator.
A dragline excavator is a massive machine used for large-scale excavation and mining. Its long boom and bucket system allow it to remove vast amounts of material efficiently.
Concrete mixer truck. Concrete mixer truck. Concrete mixer truck. Mini excavator. Mini excavator.
Excavator wrecking ball. Excavator wrecking ball.
An excavator wrecking ball is used for demolishing large structures by swinging a heavy steel ball. It is effective for breaking concrete and masonry structures.
Motor grader. Motor grader. Motor grader. Haul truck. Haul truck. Haul truck.
Excavator demolition. Excavator demolition.
An excavator demolition machine is designed for tearing down buildings and structures safely. It often features specialized attachments like hydraulic shears and breakers for efficient demolition work.
Bulldozer. 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 Skid steer loader. Skid steer loader.
Excavator straddle carrier. Excavator straddle carrier.
An excavator straddle carrier is designed to transport heavy loads, such as shipping containers, by straddling them. It provides excellent maneuverability and efficiency in ports, warehouses, and industrial sites.
Road roller. Road roller. Wheel loader. Concrete mixer truck. Concrete mixer truck. Garbage truck. Garbage truck.
The garbage truck is a waste disposal vehicle equipped with compacting mechanisms for collecting and transporting trash.
Excavator demolition. Excavator demolition. Excavator demolition. Concrete pump truck. Concrete pump truck. Crane truck. Crane truck.
The crane truck combines a flatbed truck with a mounted crane to lift and transport heavy equipment and materials.
Dump truck. Excavator demolition. Concrete mixer truck. Concrete mixer truck. Excavator crane. Excavator crane.
An excavator crane combines excavation and lifting functions for handling heavy loads. It is used in construction, port operations, and industrial sites.
Wheel loader. Wheel loader. Wheel loader. Articulated dump truck. Articulated dump truck. Logging truck. Logging truck.
The logging truck is a heavy-duty vehicle used to transport large logs from forests to processing facilities.
Excavator grapple. Excavator grapple. Mini excavator. Mini excavator. Mini excavator.
Tower crane. Tower crane. A tower crane is a tall, fixed crane commonly used in high-rise construction projects. It has an extended boom and counterweights, allowing it to lift heavy materials to great heights. These cranes are essential for building skyscrapers, bridges, and large infrastructure projects.
Fire truck. Fire truck. Fire truck. Haul truck. Haul truck. Haul truck.
Truck crane. Truck crane. A truck crane is a mobile lifting vehicle designed for construction and industrial applications. It combines the mobility of a truck with the lifting power of a crane. This makes it ideal for heavy lifting in confined spaces.
Skid steer loader. Skid steer loader. Skid steer loader. Excavator. 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 Excavator ripper. Excavator ripper.
An excavator ripper is a powerful attachment used for breaking up hard ground, rocks, and frozen soil. It is commonly used in mining, construction, and roadworks.
Giant hydraulic excavator. Giant hydraulic excavator.
A hydraulic mining excavator is a powerful machine used in large-scale mining operations. Its advanced hydraulic system enables efficient digging and material handling in challenging environments. Helicopter. Helicopter. A helicopter is a rotary-wing aircraft capable of vertical takeoff and landing. It is used for rescue missions, medical emergencies, military operations, and transport. Helicopters can operate in difficult terrains where airplanes cannot land. Wheel excavator. Wheel excavator. A wheel excavator is a versatile digging machine mounted on wheels instead of tracks. It is designed for mobility, making it ideal for urban construction and roadwork projects. This excavator can efficiently dig, lift, and move materials in confined spaces.
Pile driver excavator. Pile driver excavator.
A pile driver excavator is used for driving foundation piles into the ground. It provides stability for structures like bridges, buildings, and docks.
Excavator magner. Excavator magner.
An excavator magnet is an attachment used to lift and move ferrous metal materials. It is widely used in scrap yards, recycling plants, and demolition sites.